100%, sir.
Submarine launched 12 to 15 megatons, and they went to strike status 15 minutes prior.
Synclank reports the Roosevelt splashed 6 incoming cruise missiles.
The Russians are moving west through Poland. If they head for Germany, we've got the Berlin Brigade, but they're outnumbered.
Sir, we've got another launch, this one from Alyesk, Central Russia.
What the hell is an LES?
SS-18 ICBMs, probable targets New York, Washington, here.
How good is this ceiling?
Anything but a direct hit.
Satellites confirm birds in the air. Multiple launches. First impact estimated 25 minutes.
How do we know that's accurate?
It's accurate.
Sir, I advise we go to DEFCON 1.
Get President Zorkin on the hotline.
Zorkin is missing, sir. We have reports of a coup in Moscow. General Bulgakov is calling the shots now.
Who the hell is Bulgakov?
The asshole who wanted to use nukes in Chechnya.
Sir, DEFCON 1, we're out of time.
Do it.
Mr. President. Sir, it'll take about a minute for the launch sequence to process after you give the order. Before the order can be taken, an ID check must be performed.
My ID number is fifth from the top.
Sir, it's your wife on 2104.
Yeah.
Under the two-man rule, the order must be confirmed by someone on the approved list.
Shit.
Gene Revell, National Security Advisor, second from the top.
Is it black tie? Okay, I'm on my way. Can we finish this up some other time?